myntri rangbah ka jylla CONRAD ke sangma ulai thu myntri rangbah ka ASSAM o Himanta buswa on one Shillong hakar apply Tarik mentau bnai Iakren Pynbeit Pud ASSAM bat ka jylla Meghalya hagane ka jingialang on don lang ru chief secretary na baroh tylli ka jylla.
There were certain MLAs from political parties who had accompanied me, and they had accompanied primarily to wish the new Chief Minister of Assam and also to express their concerns about different issues, including the boundary issue. So after a brief meeting with them and after they left the room, the Honorable Assam Chief Minister and myself had a one-to-one meeting for approximately 45 minutes. And in that meeting, we have gone through all the areas of differences and discussed many points in that, which, of course, as I said, I don't feel appropriate. I should mention all those details at this point. But what we have decided now is that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be coming to Shillong on 23rd. That is one day before the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India. And we will be having a brief meeting in the Secretariat or any place that is acceptable to both sides. And we'll be having a discussion at a more official level this time. In the meeting, the Chief Secretary of Assam and the Additional Chief Secretary or Principal Chief Secretary Home will be present. And from Meghalya side, Chief Secretary and the Additional Chief Secretary Political will be present. We may have some exchange of presentations and discussions in detail. And post that, we will be having an official meeting in Guwahati in the next week.